Hello friends, welcome to Learners Forum. So this video is about the recent notification released by UPSC for recruitment by selection for the following posts. So there are many different posts. Let us see one by one. The first post is Assistant Commissioner. The pay scale, essential qualification, desirable condition and the duties along with other details like headquarters and the post are all mentioned here. Next, there is one vacancy for the post of test engineer in Farm Machinery Training and Testing Institute, which requires degree in agricultural engineering with 3 years of experience in testing and evaluation of agricultural machinery. 2 years of practical experience of mechanized farming practices are desirable, and the duties along with the post is mentioned here. Next is for 33 vacancies for the post of Marketing Officer Group 1. So this requires master's degree in agriculture including one or more discipline which is listed here, and 2 years of experience in the field of agricultural marketing would be desirable. Next, one vacancy for the post of Scientific Officer Mechanical, which requires master's degree in physics or degree in mechanical engineering or degree in metallurgy with 1 year experience in mechanical testing laboratory or 1 year's experience in research and development in allied field. Next, there is one vacancy for the post of factory manager, which requires Master of Science in Microbiology or in Pharmaceutical Chemistry with 1 year in manufacturing and testing of biological products of human use. Next, there are 7 vacancies for the post of Assistant Mining Engineer, which requires Bachelor of Engineering or Bachelor of Technology in Mining Engineering with 2 years of experience in core mining activities. Next, there are 15 vacancies for the post of Assistant Research Officer, which requires master's degree in ore dressing, mineral processing, geology, physics or chemistry, or in terms of engineering or technology, Bachelor of Engineering or Bachelor of Technology in mineral engineering, chemical engineering or metallurgy with 2 years experience. Next, there is one vacancy for the post of Training Officer, which requires bachelor's degree in engineering or technology in architecture with 2 years of post qualification experience. Next, again one vacancy for the post of Training Officer, which requires bachelor's degree in civil or mechanical or bamboo application technology with 2 years of post qualification experience. Next, 2 vacancies for the post of Training Officer, which requires bachelor's degree in engineering or technology with 2 years of work experience in catering and hospitality. Next, 2 vacancies for the post of Training Officer in cosmetology, similarly there are many such vacancies. We have to choose as per the discipline and the desirable qualifications that they expect. Next, one vacancy for the post of Training Officer in Media Resource Center. So there are different posts and different number of options available in this particular recruitment. 4 vacancies are available for the post of Training Officer Women Training under Principles of Teaching. Next, one vacancy for the post of Training Officer in Technical Officer. Next, one vacancy is available for the post of professor in civil engineering. One vacancy for the post of professor in computer science and engineering is available. So the entire notification is for both teaching and non-teaching positions. So we have to check the complete notification for the different posts, different number of vacancies and the criteria that they have asked. So in the second half of the notification, the recruitment is completely for professor in different departments, which is completely a teaching position. So the online recruitment applications are invited from May 11 and the last day to apply will be May 30. Next, the general instructions to be followed as given here. Regarding the age limit, nationality, minimum essential qualifications that they have preferred, everything is given in detail. Regarding the application fee, candidates are required to pay a fee of 25 rupees and there are exceptions for female SC/ST person and persons with benchmark disability. Concession and relaxation details are all mentioned here. So to apply for this particular recruitment, we have to go into the official website which is mentioned here. We have to upload all the documents or certificates like date of birth, experience certificate, and other than that, whatever is asked here. So it is a complete online procedure. And the documents that has to be produced at the time of interview is mentioned here. So this is the information obtained from this notification. To apply for this particular recruitment, go into the recruitment, click on online recruitment application, and here we have the list of posts whatever we have seen, which includes assistant commissioner, test engineer, marketing officer, scientific officer, and all the training officer for each departments, and for professor, that is teaching positions in different departments. So persons belonging to the particular discipline, we can just choose and click on this apply now link, and here we have to fill in all the particulars and details that they have asked for. So this is the procedure to apply for this particular recruitment. In case if you have any doubts, you can post it out in the comment section. Thank you so much, friends.